Hiccup cure. Drink upside down. Stop your hiccups instantly by drinking water upside down. Sounds bizarre, right? But this quirky trick actually works wonders by resetting your diaphragm's rhythm. Imagine your diaphragm as a drummer suddenly out of beat, causing those annoying hiccups. When you drink water in this unusual position, it forces your diaphragm to focus on a new task, bringing its rhythm back in check. It's like hitting a reset button on that involuntary spasm. Next time you find yourself in a hiccup frenzy, grab a glass of water, bend over, and sip away from the far edge. Not only will you feel like a magician with a secret trick, but you'll also be the go-to person for hiccup cures at every party. Dive into this fun, science-backed method and say goodbye to those pesky hiccups.